Hello, welcome back to Mr. Day's channel for all your fine music needs. The I just wanted to say thank you to all my kids at Parkway Elementary. Our last unit we wrapped up online here. Thank you to all those of you who watched it and participated with it. It was a lot of fun. These videos are more open to the public. This is for anyone to watch along with me. The We're getting into a new set of 3 different lessons covering rhythm, which is really fun. We have a lot of planned activities. We have a lot of really fun testing things. It's gonna be a blast. So stay tuned. Just so you guys know, for all those who are viewing, each lesson is in 3 parts. Each one 15 minutes long. So just know that there's a part 1, part 2, part 3. If you're seeing this, you're on part 1 of the very first lesson of this rhythm unit, which is super fun. Okay, books. Without further ado, we'll go ahead and get right on into it. Something that we'll always start off with here is our rhythm workout sheet. To get us started, it's a good refresher and it's a good way to get the mind engaged. Okay, let's go and get right on into it. Rhythm workout number 1. Again, I'm designing these lessons for my kiddos at Parkway, so it's more suited towards them, but it's a great thing for anyone to be able to view. Sorry about my dogs. They're kind of barking a little bit. Let me. Alright. Sorry about that. Okay, so without further ado, let's go and get right on into it. We are working in TAs and TTs. It's a huge Kodai and ORF kind of thing. If you've worked with these before, so we're going to get right with it. Starting off with number 1. Okay, so for any kiddos who are watching this, that are wanting to work with me, just like we always do, we'll start off with giving ourselves a steady beat. We continue the steady beat as long as all the way through our rhythm workout, but we can stop here and there if it needs to be. I'll give us 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we'll all come in together. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, ta. Exactly, if you got it with me. As you remember, for all my kiddos who are watching this, a quarter note is ta, T-A. And then, of course, 8th notes are T, T-T. Very nice if you've got that with me. Okay, let's keep on pushing forward. We'll just run through both these workouts. Now that we kind of got TAs and TTs with us, back in our minds a little bit, let's go back to the steady beat. Going to number 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, T, T, ta, 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 T, T, ta. Nice. Continuing on to number 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ta, T, T, ta, T, T, ta, ta, ta. Nice. Continuing on to number 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, T, T, ta, T, T, ta, T, T, ta, ta. Nice. Number 5. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, T, 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 ta, ta, T, T, ta, ta. Nice. Number 6. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, T, T, ta, T, T, ta, 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 T, T. Nice. Okay. That's our rhythm workout number 1. Rhythm workout number 2 is just there on the left side. Getting a little finicky with me. That's whatever. Okay, just on the left side, ignore the right page. Rhythm workout number 2. This one's covering over half notes and 16th notes. Now, for my kiddos that we worked with just before that we were heading out, you guys have already just covered half notes and 16th notes. If you remember, half notes are, let me show you here. Let me show you an example, just like, let me show you number 1 and follow with me. This will show you both 16th notes and half notes. So, we got ta, ticka ticka ta off for that first measure, right? 16th notes are ticka ticka, and half notes are just ta. Hold it all the way through for both 2 beats. Okay, folks. With that, let's go ahead and do number 1 together. Go start getting our steady beat going. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ticka ticka ta, ta, ticka ticka ti ti ta. Nice, nice. Yeah, make sure that you're always holding that half note all the way through, all the way to the end of the bar. I know it always feels easy to want to let go of it, but definitely carry that half note all the way to the end of the bar. Okay, let's go on to number 2. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ticka ticka ti ti ta ta sh ti ti ta. Now, if you catch that one, we had that quarter note rest. All my kiddos back at home, you guys know that we say shh. Or you could do shh, meaning that it's quiet. Nothing happens during that measure. During that beat. Okay, books. Let's go and continue on to number 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ti, 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 ticka, ticka, ti, ti, shh, ta. Nice job. Let's go ahead and continue forward with number 4. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ti, ti, ta, ticka, ticka, shh, ti, ti, ta, ta. Nice. Number 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, sh, ti, ti, ta, ta, ti, ti, sh, ta. Nice, nice, nice. All right, and number 6 to finish it off here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ti, 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 ta, ti, ti, ticka, ticka, ta. Nice. Really nice job. We're going to run through both those 2 workouts inside each part of or at least each part 1 of this lesson. We've got 3 lessons of this. You won't have to worry about it for part 1, part 2, part 3. But really nice job. It sounded really good. Let's go ahead and move forward. All right. So, I've got a fun little game for us to do. It's so much fun. It's called Now You See It, Now You Don't. Okay, it's a great way to keep on practicing these rhythms, and it's a great way to test your memory as well. So let's go ahead and get right on into it. It's super easy. There will be a rhythm on display. We'll practice through it together, and then it's going to magically disappear. And then we're going to have to try to remember it and perform it together. Okay, folks. Okay. So, for example, let's try this one out together. So, I'll give us 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll do a steady beat. And then after we perform this rhythm, it's going to magically disappear. And then we're going to try to see if we can remember it. Okay. So, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, sh. So, it's really good, really good. And then, magically disappears. Now you don't see it at all. Okay, so let's see if we can remember it together. let's see if we can go and remember it together. I'll give you guys the same exact thing, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we'll go for it, and then we'll see if we got it right. Okay, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, sh, sh, sh. Nice. If you got that with me, really nice job. And if you didn't get it, don't worry about it. It's always a little wacky to try to get it right off the bat. Especially memorizing such a in short amount of time. Okay, let's go ahead and move on. Here we've got some quarter notes, some more rests. Give you guys 5, 6, 7, 8, and we'll keep on going. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, sh, ta, sh. Nice, nice. And we don't see it, so let's see if we can get it together, okay? And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, sh, ta, sh. Really nice job, really nice job. You got that with me. Let's go ahead and keep on pushing on ahead. All right, all right. Here we go. Take a look at the rhythm. Think about it in your head. And steady beat time. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ta, sh, sh. Nice, nice. Okay. Now to try to see if we can do it memorized. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ta, sh, sh. Nice, nice, really nice job. Okay, moving on, moving on. Okay. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, 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 sh. All right, all right. Let's try to see if we can do it memorized. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, 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 sh. Nice, nice job. Let's keep on going. Okay. All right, all right. Some quarter notes. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, 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 ta. Nice. Item search. We go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, 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 ta. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Really pushing forward. Okay. We'll go ahead and call it quicksies on that one. There's still quite a few fun ones that we can do later on if we want to. So, really nice. We are going to start getting into now our main part of the unit, which is Tick-a-Tea time. Oh yeah, that's right. I came up with that name too, so you guys are gonna love it. Okay. For this one, we have a whole entirely new rhythm. There we are. Gosh, I couldn't find it for a second. It is called Tick-a-Tea. It is 2 16th notes with an 8th note. We'll get more into it later. It's going to be a lot of fun. So we're going to really quick just do a really fun activity now that we've refreshed our minds over some of the different rhythms. Make sure to grab a little dice block for our next part. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to open up with a really fun activity. So it's going to be really, really exciting. If you don't have a dice block, that's all good. You can just join me on this one, and it'll be really, really cool. I'll go ahead and start getting it pulled up. It's going to be called Rhythm Roll. It's super fun. Oh my goodness. You guys are going to love it. But yeah, we'll get into that in the next part. So, thank you so much for watching. It's been really, really fun. This 15-minute mark is about to end. Just remember that each segment is 15 minutes, so I will see you guys in part 2. It's going to be a lot of fun. Okay. See you guys a little later.